AGBA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. AGBA Group Holdings Limited is actually pretty interesting because it seems super bullish to me, although it's like 7% down. Yeah, it seems like my break-even got hit. Kind of sucks. Here's the proof of that, but I'm gonna get rid of everything here. And now I'm looking to double down on already the bullish market that we've been into. How would I do that? Obviously, all I'm sticking to is the strategy that's giving me thousands of quick predictions, but with AGBA, I'm talking a double break yet again, man. Or a girl. You know, if there is this confirmation, like all it means is just the price actually started to pick up and actually starting to go up, and I'm just jumping in on the bandwagon, you know. So anything else, I'm just waiting. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using and want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.